Alright guys, I'm out here with Sam today, scouting for some fish. Been down in Florida and coming out to see if we can get on some stripes today. Try and catch us a 6-7 pounder. Wish us luck. Rod tips, watch those rod tips. Which one's it gonna be? Come on. Good one, Sam. Alright. That's a good one. Finally broke the ice. Ooh, that thing's giving you a tussle. That's a big one. That's what we're looking for. Pull him that way. I like that fish to come up right here. I don't reel lines in that. I try and work around it. Pull that fish back this way. There you go. Don't be afraid to pull them. I tell people we don't break line on the deadliest catch. All right, that's the way to break the ice. We've been fishing since 8:30. It's 20 after 9. Took us. Oh, it's in the trolling motor. Gonna get a trolling motor, Sam. You're gonna lose him. You let him get in the trolling motor. Oh well. Yeah, you gotta. When you see that fish going towards that, you just gotta wrench him. You ain't gonna break that line. That's a special line. It's unbreakable. Come on, Betsy. We might need to check the baits and put them back down. It's been a little while. There it is. Oh, you started reeling that. I thought I heard one up there going. Zzz. Get me excited, Sam. I got you beat. Look at that. Take your time, take your time. Let me get this minnow in the water. Let me just get him hooked. Nice one. All right, let me get. Did I turn the damn camera on? Yeah, I did. You get him, Sam. Don't let him whoop you this time. Oh, that's a nice one. Well, it looks like a striper. Woo! So you can just push that button, put it right back in the rod. I'm gonna say 3.5, 4. What do you think?
I'm gonna say closer to 4. Looking
4, 4. It's over 4.
Looking that up. Always take into consideration.
Pin drill. Another striper.
That's a perfect fish.
All right. Sam, you're on the ball.
Yeah,
tell that boy to call us back more often. Oh, goodness gracious.
Okay.
See there, guys?
Now, that's about the size I like to keep deep, but not,
It's a good one. Oh, I hear him taking drag. He's taking drag. Woo. It happens just like that, guys. Just like that. Is that monster? When he starts trying to go that way, start pulling him this way. I want this fish to come up in here. Don't let him go around the back of the boat. That's a good one.
hope it ain't no big cute.
That ain't no catfish. Another striper. You the striper king, Sam. That's a pretty fish. You want to keep him?
Let me keep him in that bed.
Yeah, no, that's fine. You keep as many as you want.
No.
I'm just saying.
I don't like. I like to keep fresh fish. You know.
He wasn't going nowhere. Look how he was hooked.
Yeah.
Get him, Sam. He's not so big, is he? All right, 6 more to get the money. Marquis, you better get that wallet out, boy. You fighting like a catfish? That's a catfish. I told you it's a catfish hole. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Am I wrong? No, I'm wrong. He acted like a catfish, didn't he? Huh? I know, they get like that. I don't... Sometimes I just want to get me in it. What are those things called? The shock the heart. Stick it in the water and wake these things up. That's a good eater. Which one's it gonna be? Oh, you got him? This is a good one. Happens just like that, guys. All right, 4 more and I get the money. I didn't say that on the last video clip, guys, but I told this boy at the store this morning, I bet him 25 bucks I'd catch 10 fish. That's a good one. Hi, bro. That rascal wasn't going nowhere. You want him or let him go?
Just let him go.
You sure? You need fish? Hey, Sam. How long you reckon we've been dragging him? I just went to reel it up. We're getting ready to move, guys, and I said, damn, there's a fish on here. Ditch pickle. Yeah, he was fine. He took off. You can't kill a ditch pickle. Good one? Let me get the net. They fish all over the screen. All right, 2 more. 25 bucks, Marquis. Pull him. Reel down and pull him. Get the rod down in the water. There you go. Easy, pull him up from under the boat. Easy, easy. That's a big one. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah, that's a tank. That's a tank. Ho, 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 ho. You want to keep that big one?
No, no.
Are you sure? Look, if you want them, Sam, keep them. I'm just saying, if you like the smaller ones, we'll keep the smaller ones, but we may not catch anymore because we're getting ready to leave in a little while.
That's going to be the last one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Marky, get your wallet out. All right, get your damn wallet out. Oh, Lordy mercy, oh, Marquis, I just got it. That's number 10. I don't need a net.
You don't need that.
And you probably don't need them on some of these that we're catching. I'm just used to grabbing the net. Did you see that? I was like, that can't be the bottom. What is? Look at all the fish all over your line. Look at the fish all over your line.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Good one? Whew. You don't need no net. Little striper. Striper diaper.
I bet I got to keep it. No?
Ditch pickle. You want a picture with him?
No. No.
You can leave that up.
Okay.
Matter of fact, give it to me. I'm gonna
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna go ahead and stow it.
That was a good trip.
We'll be leaving. Yeah, no, it was fun. I can't help it. You lost that big. Well, you actually caught that one we got a picture of, but the big one you lost in the trolling motor. Oh, look at the fish all over the screen.
I know.